She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her.
Alright, so today we're going to show you how to spice things up a little bit with your steak. So I've been craving dry aged steak for a while, and I found a way online to make dry age without actually dry aging the steak by using something called Koji rice. What we're going to do is grind up the Koji rice, and then we're going to spread it over the steak. I'm going to put it over the rack and let it sit in the fridge out in the open for 2 to 3 days. Okay, so this is our setup. You want to elevate it up in the air so you can get some air circulation over the next few days. This is where it's going to sit for the next couple of days. So it's been 3 days. This is what it looks like coming out of the fridge. So what we gotta do now is to clean off the Koji rice off of the steak and get it ready for sous vide. So this is what it looks like after cleaning off the excess rice. It looks amazing, and I'm trying to describe the smell. It's kind of like, have you ever had like salami, cured meat? This is what it kind of smells like, and it has the look of dry aged steak as well. It's on the darker side. Freshly ground salt and pepper. Do that liberally on all sides. For tonight's steak, we're making Brussels sprouts as a side. So I have the Brussels sprouts washed and halved, seasoned with salt and pepper. And we're about to deep fry them on the cast iron skillet. Grab some paper towel and really give it a nice pat dry. we got the steak seared. Now the second most important step is to let it rest. We're gonna let it sit here for about 5 minutes underneath an aluminum foil. Alright, our 5 minutes is up. It's the moment of truth. Let's see how we did. Hopefully, it's perfect medium rare. Oh, look at that. Get better lighting here. This is perfectly cooked. I'm so excited. So this is it, our dinner for tonight. We actually preheated the plate while we were waiting for the steak to rest because we want to keep the steak hot. That's another final tip for everyone.
This is a 10 out of 10, guys. Solid.
Really good. I love this Koji rice flavor.
Give you a little bit closer look. Man. Well, hope you guys give this recipe a try. It won't disappoint you. This 2-piece of steak was $38 from Costco, so
It will cost you over $100.
if you order in a restaurant.
Yes.
And the Koji rice itself is only $7, so
Yeah,
you're
we'll go
looking
back.
at $46 for the steak. So, guys, give it a try. See you next time.